Shocking truths. Surviving electricity with smarts and sass. Electricity, our glowing ally, powers everything from our morning coffee machines to midnight binge, watching marathons. But this energetic friend comes with a warning. Respect the spark or face the zap. Here's your ultimate guide to not frying yourself or your house while keeping it hilariously relatable. Water, yaowaong, electricity, equals instant drama. Ever thought of blow-drying your hair in the bathtub? Don't. Electricity loves water, but not in a cute rom-com way. It's more of a I'll shock you silly kind of deal. Keep all electrical appliances far from water unless you're trying to audition for a superhero origin story. Spoiler alert. You won't get powers. Unplug, don't hug. That toaster may look innocent, but leave it plugged in long enough, and it'll plot a sneaky power surge. Unplug appliances when not in use, especially the ones that burn, heat, or buzz. Remember, the only thing that should toast is your bread, not your house. The tale of the overworked outlet. Think of outlets as the overburdened friend at work. Plugging in too many devices turns them into electrical chaos monsters. Extension cords aren't invincible after overload them, and you might end up hosting an unintentional light show, not the fun kind. Spread the load, people. Even electricity needs a break. Frayed wires are ticking time bombs. Stepping on frayed wires is practically begging for a shock party. Replace damaged cords and never run them under rugs. No one wants their cozy carpet transforming into a fiery floor mat. Your outlet's cry for help, sparks, burning smells, or unusual sounds from an outlet? It's not putting on a fireworks display, it's screaming, "Get me an electrician!" Ignored electrical issues are like social media rumors, they escalate dangerously fast. Keep the kids and pets out of the drama. For tiny humans and curious furballs, electrical outlets look like fun finger puzzles or chew toys. Cover unused outlets with safety plugs and keep cords out of their reach. Because your toddler doesn't need an electrifying hairdo, and your dog doesn't want to play bite the wire. Electricity is powerful, life-changing, and, yes, potentially hazardous. Treat it with respect, a touch of humor, and maybe a little paranoia. Because safety first, sparks second, and the only shocks we want are from plot twists in a good movie. Stay safe and stay zappy. Ready to power up your knowledge and your sense of humor? Hit that like button if you've ever tangled with tricky outlets. And subscribe for more shocking tips to keep you safe and laughing. Share this with your friends because the only sparks you want in life are romantic, not electrical. Stay zappy and stay safe.